Hey, it's Dr. Mo here at Chiropractic Care Center in Fairfax. We got Angel here. Angel is a Facebook follower here, and she came in on Tuesday. We worked on her, and then she's back here on Thursday. She has upper back, neck pain, headaches, low back pain, and we adjusted it. How did it feel last time?
Amazing.
Awesome. So yeah, if you want to come on in. You feel amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and adjust you. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna check everything and then go from there.
Okay.
So let's go face down for me. And you play volleyball, correct?
Yeah.
Man, it's a little. All right, deep breath for me. All the way out. Beautiful. Nice. Good. This side up for me, Angel. You had no soreness, right?
None.
Okay. Cool. Deep breath for me. Good. Perfect. Same thing, other side. So one thing we're also going to do is we're going to work on our neck, and we're going to do the general as well. But we're going to loosen up just a couple visits in a row first. Deep breath. All the way up. Good. Perfect. Awesome. Let's go face up for me. You ready? Your favorite. Nice. And as you can tell, her ears are turning bright red. That means the blood's going up. That's a good thing. Beautiful. All right. So yeah, if you're watching this and you want to come in, just call us in. You get a free consult and come on in. All right. Take care.